Hey, how you doing?
Like $1,000, you got the cat is on.
Take it off, put the little cat.
There you go. Talk to you, Rich.
All right, okay, mine.
First time I seen Edge red badges on there.
Yeah?
Yeah. What's up? Nice. How you liking it so far? Is it worth it?
Yeah, it's everything they said, man.
Okay, that's what's up.
I have a C8 Z06 with this 07 pack.
Okay.
It's just much better.
Oh yeah, I imagine it is.
Yeah. only
that
difference
C7
like,
ain't no joke now.
I know, the only thing I love about my Z7 is the stick shift. I'm a
Right,
stick shift
right,
guy.
yeah.
So I just...
But see, it's a good thing you got two cars.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So you get, you know.
Well, the C7 that mine, my wife said that got to be hers.
Right. So she done commandeered it.
Yeah, that's the only way it was approval to get another one.
Right, yeah.
One gonna be mine.
Yeah, there you go. That's what's up, man. I'm happy for you, brother. That's nice. Yeah, my wife wants black, man. We already she got a black Tahoe, I got a black truck, and I was like, man,
It's the first time I ever got a black car, man.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's good.
Yes.
It's just hard to keep clean,
hard
man.
to keep clean. That's what I told her. I said, and so I'm not that guy. I mean, I like my stuff clean, but I'm just not like a, you know, just constantly trying to, you know, whatever. But yeah, yeah, but like I said, there's a guy that he took delivery of his today, and his was all white, and he got the body colored, the side blade and all that. And I told him, I said, the only thing I would have done different is like you did, I would have did the red Z06, but he didn't know about it. You know what I'm saying? He said, I didn't know you could do that. I said, yeah. I said, you can probably order them, you know, through the dealer.
Like, no, they did it from the factory.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, but he didn't know about it. You know what I'm saying? He didn't know you could do that. Yeah.
Like $2.95. The car costs so much anyway. $2.95.
Right, exactly. It's like I waste that in coffee. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, he got the red interior, the dip red interior. He got the red calipers, and I was like, the only thing you was missing was that red badge. You know, that would have just, you know, set it on off.
And his was black?
No, it was all white. It was the exact opposite of yours, except like I said, it had the red interior.
I think I saw it yesterday.
Yeah. They was here yesterday, and then they picked it up this morning. Yeah.
So he ain't hanging around here. He left with home.
Yeah, they said they had a trailer transport waiting on them. They wasn't even gonna drive it. They just, you know. Hey, I was like, to each his own, you know what I'm saying?
I came from DC, so I drove it.
Right, yeah.
Like, I'm driving.
And that's the thing. I always encourage people to drive the cars, but I mean, hey, it's your money if you want to just wipe it down with a cloth every day. Because that's, you know, what he's seen. Because he said he had I think he had a total of 5 vets. 2 of them he's restoring. 3 of them he just sold to get the Z06. And I think one of them, he said he had like 300 miles on it or something like that. And I'm just like, bro, you know. And he said he wanted to drive that one. I said, look, the first time you drive it, I said, you probably drive it some more. You know what I mean? More than what you drove the other one.
Is he going to try to sell it or you don't?
Oh, I don't know. I think he just like collecting them. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, from what I gather, I think he said that he had like a 58 that he was restoring. He had like a 60 something model that he was still putting back together. And then he had like a 2020, and then he had like a 21. You know what I'm saying? He just, you know, he just like vets or whatever.
Like, okay, like me, I love him.
Yeah, I know. I said like, apparently he don't like driving them. He just like collecting them. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's sweet. You plan on doing any track days with it at all, or?
You know what? Not here. I did my C7 on the track. It just I just got the broken period. So.
Oh no, I'm talking about like in the future. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay. I like doing track. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's what's up. You mind if I open the door?
Nah.
Okay. Oh yeah, you got the competition seats too? That's what's up. Now, how are those for comfort? I know you're not a big guy, you know what I'm saying, but I've sat in them before, but I've never like, you know, I obviously hadn't, you know, ridden anywhere with them. What do you think as far as?
Okay, I mean, it fit me like a glove.
Right.
So they okay. I mean, I got them because of my other one got competition seat.
Right, yeah,
so
yeah.
I was comfortable in those, so I said I'm gonna go with the same thing. Okay.
Okay, but I mean the long drive didn't hurt you nothing?
Long drive didn't. Yeah, I was really
Okay, that's what's up. That made me feel a lot better because I've heard both people say, you know what I'm saying, I heard people say, oh, that,
not comfortable.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying, but like I said, I've sat in them for probably about 15 to 20 minutes, and like I said, I ride motorcycles, so if it's more comfortable than a motorcycle seat, and I think I'll be all right.
Yeah. I mean, it took me 11 hours to get down here straight through.
Right, you dropped your phone.
Yeah, so it's pretty comfortable.
Oh yeah, that's what's up. That is what's up. All right, bro. It's good talking to you, man. I appreciate your time. I'm Thomas. Nice to meet you.
Richard, man.
All right. Oh, you done been in Ronfello's already?
Yeah, with the C7.
Oh, with the C7. You haven't been for this one yet. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to probably do it around December, January when it's cold in D.C.
Right. Yeah, you get it somewhere warm. Yeah.
I told my wife, make the appointment around December, January.
Okay.
Going up there.
Right. That's what's up, man. Yeah. Well, like I said, I appreciate your time, bro.
All right, thanks, man.
All right, no problem. Sound good. But guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up for the day. They got a block party slash get together later on, probably about 7 o'clock. I might slide through there. I didn't make it to the party they had last night. It was an all-white party. My wife couldn't make it, so I really didn't feel right, you know, going to that without her, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is nice. And from what I understand, this event and the event last year were two of the largest. Well, actually, the lady told me that last year this was the largest corporate event that they had here, and I'm pretty confident in saying that this is probably the largest one that they had this year. I mean, they even said that we took them by surprise because they didn't realize how many people were going to show up for it or whatever. So they were kind of scrambling to, you know, accommodate, you know, the amount of people that came. But, you know, everybody had a good time. God, don't that Z06 look good. Jesus Christ. Man. But anyway, yeah, but that's it for this part of the video. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, get more content. Yeah, because gas is not cheap. And if y'all want to keep seeing this stuff, I need y'all support. I appreciate it. And we'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, later.